ACCURL EuroPro B4400 CNC press brake with DELEM Da66T 6+1 axis. CE certified safety guard and safety light curtain combines safety, productivity, and precision. High protection level increase the competitiveness of EuroPro series. Equipped with wheeler premium hydraulic clamping and original wheeler toolings, speed, accuracy, and safety are core values in ACCURL bending technology and extremely accurate. ACCURL has chosen a very powerful new generation DELEM Da66T and offers a higher level of efficiency in programming and control of press brakes. ACCURL promotes a friendly environmental policy, and as such, all our equipment features a hybrid eco-function. Quiet operation and low energy consumption ensure 30% high productivity, and hybrid servo drive system positions accuracy and target position. High quality equipped, advanced features and technology, excellent increase in operation speeds, precision, higher stroke flexibility and productivity makes the bending perfect.